Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I am independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing this lovely diagonal joy fold card. Isn't that pretty? Let's get started. So first, I am going to be able to show you how to make two cards, which is kind of a bonus for you. So you're going to start with an 8.5 by 11 cardstock. You're going to score at 4 1/4 here. Then you're going to cut diagonally. You see that right there? You're going to cut it diagonally. It won't exactly fit in the cutter, the actual piece of paper, entirely. It won't cut. It'll fit, but it won't cut directly. So I don't know if you can see that. But if you put it all here, it'll actually cut the center, and you'll just need to use your scissors to cut the two ends. Once you do that, you're going to cut it in half here, and then you're going to have these extra that you can use for a different card, but basically this is the card base. Okay, and there's two of them, so I'm going to show you that one. Then you're going to need a piece of cardstock that's 4 by 5 1/4, and DSP that is 3 1/4 by 5. That's the one you're going to cut diagonally. We'll do that in a second. The inside DSP, I decided to use this one, this side right here, which is a reverse side, which is also 4 by 5 1/4. So let's get to cutting first. So because the card folds this way, you have to remember to cut diagonally the same direction. So we're going to do that with the DSP and with the cardstock. So first the DSP, then the cardstock. They're just very slight layers of it. Like that. So that's the background and the frame. So it'll look like this. And then I'll set aside this one for my second card. So first with some glue, on the DSP layer, making sure there's a frame around it. Then more on the cardstock to be able to put on the base. And that's just a lovely layering. I thought would look really nice on that. We're going to put this on the inside. Oh, I think I reversed it. I think I meant to do this on the diagonal, but I think it still works. There you go. Then the bonus part, which I love, is the joy fold of it. So you need 3 more pieces. So the first piece you need for the smaller card part, the joy fold, is 3 by 8 scored at 4. Then a black piece that is 2 3/4 by 3 3/4, and then the white, which is 2 5/8 by 3 5/8. And it's just a little added bonus. I thought it would be really nice. So I'll start with folding that in half, burnishing that. I'm going to put some glue on the black. And before I put the white one on, this is a very, very, very thin frame for that. I like the look of that. We're going to stamp on this. So let me get my stamps out. And these are from the Uniquely Artist set, which I love the outlines and then the filler stamps that you use. So these are the colors I'm using. Gorgeous Grape, Fresh Freesia, Mossy Meadow, and Evening Evergreen. So we'll start with the filler and Gorgeous Grape. Then the filler in Fresh Freesia. you want to make sure you're lining it up. It's not perfect, but I like the look of it. There you go. Then we're ready for some leaves with the same technique of doing the outline in Evening Evergreen. And the filler in Mossy Meadow. There you go. And did I forget my sentiment? Let me see if I can find. I'll put the sentiment in a little later. Sorry about that. We'll go ahead and adhere this one onto the black. Again, a little frame, which I enjoy, especially with this DSP. And then some glue on the back. And you just want to line it up so it holds the top card. So a little frame at the top. Isn't that great? So it's a flip. Oh, I see that's a little crooked. I'm just going to move it a little. Thank goodness for glue. It's very forgiving until it dries. So you flip up and you flip open. You can still write some more here or here. And that's it. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you would like, please support me by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see more of these video tutorials. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye.